सोनार हार्बर से फेरी लूँगा और फेरी से चलते हैं, 1 घंटे का रास्ता है। Hey bro, how much you charge for surfing?
How many person?
For one person?
That's 300 one person.
What it includes?
Including the board
Mm-hmm.
and a teacher
Teacher?
and a rest guard also.
Okay. Rest guard.
This the
Okay.
1 hour.
What if someone is don't know about swimming and all?
No problem about
No
that.
problem?
Yeah, but
You
you
teach?
go with the teacher is okay.
You go with the teacher?
No problem, but not so far away. But
No
you
so
first
far
time,
away.
yeah,
Okay,
just water
okay.
until here.
Or this till your chest?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. At what time it is best time for surf?
Like 2 o'clock better. 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock?
Yeah,
2 a.m.?
yeah. But now like
2 a.m. early morning?
Not afternoon.
Afternoon, okay. After.
Now it's still high tide. Too big. Yeah.
Oh, at morning.
Yeah.
But now it is not too high.
So,
Okay, that's great.
low tide is better, like 2 o'clock.
Okay, what's your name, bro?
Madam G.
Madam G?
Yeah.
Madam G.
G.
D.
Yeah.
Madam D.
Yeah. If you wanna do surfing,
Mhm.
I have some class, Paradise Surf lesson.
Okay, maybe I come back later for surf for take your services.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
bro.
you.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.